Everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Blackapino, the Apple guy, and today I'm going to make a quick video and talk about a vlogging camera, my first one, the Sony CyberShot DSC HX80. Let's jump into it. What is going on, everybody? This is Blackapino, the Apple guy, and today I thought I would just do a quick video on my new vlogging camera. Now, what you see me using is a Sony DSC CyberShot HX80. It's just a 10 megapixel, 60 frame, 30 optical zoom point and shoot with a flip up screen. I just bought this the day before yesterday, so I haven't had a chance to actually test it. I figured today would be a good time to try since I just got off of work. So as you can see, one of the reasons why I love this camera is the fact that it does have a flip-up screen, so I can literally just hold it on my tripod and just literally see everything around me at the same time as keeping the focus on myself, so I can literally see everything in the background, as opposed to with the normal DSLR or a point shoot that doesn't have the flip-up screen. You really can't see what you're seeing in the background, which is why I preferred this. Now, this is my first vlogging camera, aside from my GoPros that I got that I use as my main vlogging camera, but I just thought I would do a quick video on this, as I have never used this before. Actually, this is my literally first time using it since I've had it, so, but it's not bad from what I've seen. Obviously, the flip screen makes it a huge advantage, so you can see a lot more in the background, so you can see everything without having to move your head out of the frame. So side to side, as you can see, autofocus seems to be doing pretty good. I love the manual zoom, so if I want to zoom in, I can zoom in with it. It does come with a micro SD, or I'm sorry, not micro SD. It does come with a HDMI slot that you can plug in your camera into your TV and do videos from there, or just type in the SD slot in the bottom, which is where the battery is at. So like I said, this is actually the first time I've been using it since I got it, so I just figured I'd try it today on the tripod on my way out of work. So as you can see, it's not too bad. As you can see, you can manually zoom in while in motion, which is actually kind of cool. I haven't really tried it with auto stabilization yet, so I really don't know how well it focuses while you're moving, which isn't really a big deal for me most of the time, because I really primarily just want it mostly for the video portion. I'm not really much of a photographer, as anyone who watches my videos or subscribes to me knows. So, but as far as features and options, again, I just bought this day before yesterday, so I haven't had a chance to actually get it, but as you can see, it does a pretty good job. The fact that it's small and compact, it's got a pretty good grip, works really well. So again, this is Blackapino, the Apple guy, as always. Thanks for watching my channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up if you like this video, and hit that bell notification, that way you never miss content, and have a good one.